Have you ever found yourself standing at the base of your dreams and goals, feeling a wave of overwhelm wash over you as you contemplate the sheer magnitude of the task that lies ahead? This is a common feeling, whether you're embarking on a journey to start a business, master a new skill, or chase a passion. The road to success can appear daunting, even insurmountable. But remember, every monumental achievement is the culmination of small, smart choices made consistently over time. Consider the power of small actions. Every remarkable journey begins with a single step. It's the tiny, seemingly insignificant decisions we make every day that accumulate and carve the path to success. These actions might feel inconsequential in isolation, but their collective impact is monumental. An additional hour each day devoted to refining your skills, thoughtful choices about what you consume, or investments in your personal growth, each decision nudges you closer to your goals. What's more, these small, smart choices are instrumental in building momentum. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining size and speed with every rotation. Each action amplifies the effects of the preceding ones. As you witness progress, your motivation surges, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of positivity that propels you forward. This momentum is crucial for sustained success and for overcoming inevitable roadblocks. Now, let's delve into the compound effect, a powerful principle underpinning the concept of small, smart choices. Similar to how compound interest multiplies over time, the benefits of our actions compound as we stay consistent in our efforts. What may begin as minor progress can lead to explosive growth in the long term. The compound effect ensures that today's small efforts can yield substantial results tomorrow. However, the path is not always smooth. Resistance in the form of procrastination, self-doubt, and fear of failure can appear, threatening to halt our progress. But focusing on the power of small, smart choices can help us conquer these obstacles. By breaking down our goals into manageable tasks and celebrating each minor victory, we stay motivated and resilient in the face of adversity. The journey to achieving our goals is not a straight line. It's a winding path with ups and downs. But by adopting a mindset of continuous improvement, we can transform setbacks into opportunities for growth. Every challenge we encounter is a chance to learn, adapt, and refine our strategies. Small adjustments along the way ensure we're continuously moving forward, edging closer to our aspirations. At the core of making small, smart choices lies discipline and consistency. Occasional action is not enough. True progress comes from unwavering commitment to our goals day after day. This requires self-discipline and a readiness to prioritize long-term vision over instant gratification. By establishing routines, setting achievable milestones, and holding ourselves accountable, we lay the groundwork for success. In summary, while the enormity of our dreams may initially overwhelm us, harnessing the power of small, smart choices can unlock our potential to achieve great things. It's about making conscious decisions, building momentum, leveraging the compound effect, overcoming resistance, embracing continuous improvement, and fostering discipline and consistency. Remember, every monumental achievement is simply a series of small victories strung together. So, start today, make that small, smart choice, and watch as it propels you closer to your dreams.